Hey Tracie's Place fam, I am going to bring you along with me as I clean this refrigerator. It's been a while, so I'm going to show you how to clean it properly and with non-harmful chemicals, since this is where your food is. So we want to do it efficiently and safely. Stay tuned. What you're going to use for this is your own DIY all-purpose cleaner, and it's very easy to make. Now if you do not want to use your own DIY cleaner, what you can do is just get like a Lysol or Pine Sol or something like that and dilute it a lot. You want to dilute it a lot. But this is very easy. All you do is get a container or sprayer just like this from Dollar Tree. You're going to put 1/4 cup of distilled vinegar, and this is it right here, distilled white vinegar. And you're going to put 1 cup of water and 5 tablespoons to 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. You just want to squeeze your lemon in there. You'll need a sponge, paper towel, or a microfiber cloth, whatever you choose. Also, you guys, you're going to need space to put the food from your freezer and your refrigerator. So you're going to need your kitchen table clear. You're going to need your counter space if you have enough counter space. If you do not have enough counter space, you may want to enlist the space from your dining room table as well, or set up something on your floor and maybe spread a cloth out or something like that on your floor so you'll have space to put your food from the refrigerator. Look at this cluttered mess. I can't find anything in this refrigerator. So to start the cleaning process, we're going to start by taking everything out and putting it on the kitchen table. That way we can see where we're going. It's always good to have several plastic grocery bags or one large kitchen trash bag to put all your food that has gone bad or either food that you're just not going to use. Alright, here we are ready to get started with a clean slate. I'm going to go ahead and take these drawers out because they need to be cleaned too, sanitized on the inside. So I'm going to take out all 3, get them cleaned. We're going to go ahead and clean these shelves. We're going to spray them down and spray the doorway down, and we're going to get this refrigerator all cleaned up. Oops, we have a situation. Yep, I spilled some juice, or somebody spilled some juice. Anyway, this solution is good for that. We're going to go ahead and get it shaken up, get it distributed through the bottle, go ahead and spray it and take care of that mess. Alright, there is one thing we have to do before we start the actual cleaning process. You want to get a dampened cloth. I'm using a paper towel, and you want to go ahead and take care of any debris that's in the refrigerator, any fallen foods, any little particles of anything. You want to go ahead and get that wiped up out of your refrigerator before you spray your solution. Now it's time for the solution. I didn't remove my seeds, but you can. I didn't use the microfiber cloth. I'm not fond of it. I like the sponge that I got from Dollar Tree. This side you can use for general cleaning. This side you use to get up anything that's stuck on. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You want to spray the walls down first, that way any debris can fall on the shelves, and you can go ahead and spray and wipe the shelves off. You want to go ahead and spray those walls down, both sides, and then go ahead and wipe the walls down thoroughly. So we're going to go ahead and spray the shelves down, and you want to get them sprayed down good, and we're going to go ahead and wipe the shelves off now with the sponge. Careful to cover every area of the shelves. We're going to use this little scrubber section here of the sponge because something spilled in the refrigerator and dried, so it's hard to get off. I'm going to go ahead and get it good. And of course, you guys, I couldn't show every grueling process. I did get this refrigerator cleaned very thoroughly, but I didn't put every single second on camera because the video just would have been too long. Now, for those hard to reach crevices and cracks in your refrigerator where little itty bitty microscopic things fall, you want to use a toothpick and this paper towel. Spray the paper towel with the solution and go ahead and flatten it out basically as flat as the toothpick, and go ahead and get in those cracks and crevices. I hate to see those little particles after I've cleaned and I didn't get it too good, so you want to make sure to get it really, really good. And that's a little extra stuff that I got out of there. So be careful to clean everywhere. Alright guys, so I'm a little extra with my cleaning sometimes. Even though this is a safe solution, I want to go ahead, dampen a paper towel, and still just wipe behind the solution. Right here, we're going to go ahead and do our doorway the same way we did the main part of the refrigerator. We want to spray the refrigerator, every part of it. Get this door sprayed down, all the shelves. Now we're going to get the door shelves cleaned with the scrubbing sponge. So we've gotten that all done. Now I'm taking my paper towel, my dampened paper towel, and I'm going to wipe down behind the solution and get it even more. Also guys, when you are cleaning like this, make sure to wear some loose fitting clothes. I have on some very loose fitting cleaning clothes that I like to wear. That way when I'm reaching and all that, I'm not uncomfortable. So this is no time to be looking cute. Get those cleaning clothes on and be comfortable and get that house together. Now it's time to clean these crisper drawers. Yes. So while you're cleaning the crisper drawers, go ahead and place the things that need to go back in the refrigerator back in there so they can keep cool, like your milks, your eggs, and different things that need to be kept and that you don't want to get warm. Go ahead and put them back in the refrigerator. Make sure to clean the outside of them because your refrigerator is now clean. So you want the containers to be clean, going back in them as well. So I've gotten the doorway basically stocked back up because those are cold items that need to be kept cold. Those biscuits, the eggs, all of that. And down here I have the more dairy, basically, butter, sour cream. Want to keep that cold. All right, I'll start the actual clean on the crisper trays. And I have them clean now. This is the tray that we use for our bacon and lunch meats, breakfast meats and stuff. So I put aluminum foil on the bottom, and then I put paper towel on the inside because it just seems like after you open the package, they always leak out for the most part. And here is the final result, you all. What a difference. What a difference. All cleaned out, and I am so happy to show you this because I hate when the refrigerator gets all messy and you can't find what you need. You don't know how much of this, that you have left if you don't have to take everything out. So anyway, here on the top shelf I have some leftover rice and the stir fry that I just made yesterday. So that's there. So when we get ready to warm that up, that's all I got to do is just reach right there. This is celery, and the celery was too big to put down in the crisper, so I put it up here on the top shelf. This is kale for our smoothies. And then that's some processed cheese back there that we really only use for like homemade mac and cheese. Some leftover tortillas. They're they're fresh, but we had opened the pack, and you have to use put the pack in the refrigerator after you open it. So those are fresh tortillas. This is my 9-grain bread, a whole carton of eggs. That's some brown rice. Got some maraschino cherries that I do my pineapple upside down cakes with. Some jumbo biscuits because they could not fit over here. This is jam-packed. This is jam-packed, but neatly jam-packed. All right, so in this tray right here, this is the one I put the aluminum foil in and the paper towel, because when you have, like I said, the when you open up your bacon and your sausage, sometimes your smoked sausage, sometimes the processed meat leaks out, the liquid leaks out and it gets icky. So I put all our meats, our processed meats anyway, breakfast sausage and things like that, in this drawer. Lunch meat, this is some turkey lunch meat. So I put the paper towel and then aluminum foil so it doesn't mess up this drawer. And here is like some dairy right here. feta cheese, sour cream. This is that garlic butter that I love. Chef chamois, and this is butter. And we have plenty of room back there. But I just like to pull everything to the forefront so I can see what I have. So we have a lot of room still back there. We have room up there and a little bit room up there. So if I go to the grocery store, I can easily put more food. So here I have our water pitcher. There's the almond milk. That's some Tampico juice. We'll probably end up taking to my mother-in-law's for Thanksgiving. It's just, you know, everybody brings something, so that won't be the only thing, of course, but I'm trying to get that juice out of this refrigerator because I don't want us to drink it up. We're trying to do, you know, water as much as possible. Anyway, we have some Dasani water right here. And when we're on the go, and I need to put a case in my trunk actually for emergencies, so I'll probably put a couple in there until I get a whole case. But in the wintertime, you should have some water in your trunk. Anyway, there's some Dasani water. We got that for free somewhere when people give out water. And we got some Dasani lemon water, some Minute Maid. We have some Powerade and some Gatorade. That's for sports use back there. But anyway, everything fits. And then down here we have our cheese and grapes. All the produce couldn't fit in one drawer, so I put our shredded cheeses are in here, pizza blend, Italian blends, Colby Jack, sharp cheddar, and then our green and red grapes. And then in this drawer I have peppers, cilantro, mushrooms, parsley. I have some chopped up onions already chopped for when I need them. I have lettuce, and I really have to put this in a Ziploc bag, you all. So excuse that. But some old lemons that I'm going to make a cleaner out of. One of these are still good, but you know, when they get old, I don't like to consume them, you know, internally. So anyway, I can have that for other uses though. And you can even clean with lemons. All right, over here on the door, we have margarine, some butter, and right here we have real butter there, but I have some butter there also. Our sliced cheese, this is American. This is a 4-cheese blend. Have eggs that are in use right now. Have some cream cheese back there. There's a whole block of brand new cream cheese. Have some tartar sauce, taco sauce. All of our things that fit in the door are right here. Have some biscuits, mustard, jelly, or not jelly, jam. I like jam. We like jam. Cocktail sauce, you all. You see, when the refrigerator was so full, I didn't even know what I had. I had a little bit of this little jar here, and then I opened this one, but this one was not finished just because I didn't see this one first because the refrigerator is so jammed full. Let's see, down here, it's my salad dressings. Got some French, got some Panera, Fuji apple. There's the teriyaki, all the stuff. Aloe vera, soy sauce. There's some more biscuits, and these are our yogurts for the smoothie. Milk, orange juice, and that was some extra milk my husband brought back home from work. He takes some cereal sometimes to work when he's in a rush in the morning, so he had that in there. So anyway, it is clean. It is beautifully clean. I love a clean refrigerator. Oh my goodness. So basically the same process that I used for the refrigerator, I'm going to use for the freezer. Except for the freezer, I am going to bring up a cooler, one of those coolers, and I'm going to put the frozen stuff in there so that it doesn't start thawing out while I'm cleaning the freezer. Okay, so then this is my bread. I freeze my bread. Sometimes I got 1, 2, 3 loaves of frozen bread. But anyway, I'm going to clean this out because I know there's some stuff in here that I'm not going to use. So, and here is the freezer after being cleaned. It is much better. We got a little more room in there too. Over here we have some filled up ice trays, and we have some chicken breasts here. We also have crab legs right here, little anytizer wings just for a little snack. You want something right away. Here are the sweet potato fries, the regular fries, So just a bunch of stuff. This is like frozen breakfast meat that we had gotten when it was on sale, so we were able to stock up a little bit. Got some extra chef chamois butter back there, and I have some turkey sausage here. Got orange juice and the grape juice there, and here I was able to organize the meat. I have the banquet Salisbury steaks here, frozen chicken breast right here. I have some tilapia fish right here on top. This is some crab meat. I do not know if I'm going to use it. My husband and son likes this, so I might use this in a dish sometime or another, but that's that frozen crab meat. It has something eggy in it that I can't eat. So, and then this is some shrimp, already breaded shrimp, and this is a separate pack that we've already started using. Have the mixed vegetables here, the Normandy blend, and I have 2 things of white bread right here. So this is organized up top, and then in this doorway, able to put some ice cubes in the little ice cube tray, because before I had a piece of bread, a loaf of bread right here, and then here we have some turkey patties. This is a frozen carrot cake that my husband got from our niece. He's gonna throw out sometime soon. She was selling them for school. We have our frozen fruit here for our smoothies. Here are the mixed vegetables, banquet pot pie, a long little orange popsicle. We was able to throw the box away, make some more room. And then these are some frozen onions that I have for like my dinner recipes or whatever. So it is organized, and I'm so happy. It's clean, and I'm so happy about that. So yeah, that's the freezer, and I am done. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, even if it was just to clean your refrigerator with more food-friendly cleaners. You know, get those chemicals away from your food and use a natural cleaner such as the lemon vinegar water that you just seen me make here. So yeah, go ahead and do something different and get that refrigerator clean. It still works on the gook and grime, and sanitizes your refrigerator. Also, you can use the solution on the outside of your refrigerator. Now, I don't know about if you have a stainless steel, but this type of refrigerator that I have, you can use the cleaner on the outside. All right, so I hope you all loved the video, like I said, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload, you'll be notified. Love you all. Be blessed. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.